Hello my loves, it's Casual Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be decorating my dashboard planner, which is my social media planner called New Day. I am going to be redating it because it is an outdated one. So here we go. I am going to be using the Lux Living sticker book from Live Love Posh, which is absolutely stunning, and I can't wait to use it. This is my first time using it. But before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and glue those pages down to make sure everything is sticking. And I wanted to say thank you. If you are joining me for the first time, welcome to my channel. And if you are coming back to spend more time with me, thank you so very much. I appreciate you so much for doing that. So here we go. We're going to go ahead and start with this page. So gluing it down, and then like I said, we're going to be working with the Lux Living stickers. I'm going to use my Zig pen to make sure that everything is adhered in the corners, because that's where most of the lift ups will happen, is like the corner unexpected areas. So as you can see, everything is aligned perfectly. This is the last, well, the current week spread, but when you guys will be watching, it will be the last week's spread. So I'm going to go ahead and just open another spread to make sure that I have the proper dates. So here we go, Lux Living, some redates. So I'm just going to continue with the Agenda 52 for the redating. I love these black stickers with the gold. I think that's going to fit this spread perfectly. So here we go. Almost done. This is quick, and the easy part about this is that I'm continuing to use it in the same kind of stickers for redating, so it gives you exactly 1 month. So if it's weeklies, you just continue on like I did, and you will get a whole month. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my stickers that I want to use in the spread, which it is my birthday week, so I'm using something very loud and very different from my usual spreads. It's going to be very full as well. So here we go. And then go ahead and use this big sticker with kind of a landscape look. How chic this is. Like white desk with gold, just fashion and cocoa, and whoa, here we go. All this pink is probably not my favorite, but I really love what these stickers represent, kind of the high fashion chic moments. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna add another girl right there. One is and then we're gonna add this element right here. I think that's gorgeous. And some purses with florals. Look at this fashion, just like spread. It's beautiful, right? You have Coco Chanel, you have some florals. It's just, the whole thing is just really beautiful. Okay, so now I'm gonna add some flowers to the corners to add that pink and green pop. I am missing the green and the spread. That's the main thing that I'm missing to kind of add that big element. So that's what I'm trying to bring in, and add a few little details along the lines here, and then I'll add a candle right there and some florals throughout to make sure that it is adding that green element, like I said. So in case you didn't know, this is my social media planner, and as you can see, it is for the week of 18th through the 24th. I am super excited about this one because, like I said, I thought this might be a fun one to use. It is very vibrant. And I also found a washi tape that sort of matches this, so let's see if I can somehow incorporate this into the whole thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this pink stripe throughout, like so. And then another one up here. I think that looks fantastic. One more. And then one right there. Okay, what do you guys think about adding pops of colors like this into? I also thought about adding a green, but I didn't want to take away from that big sticker with the room, because if I add green, it would be distracting and pulling away from that. And this pink is just kind of highlighting all of that in general. Okay. So that's the washi. I think this is looking great so far. And then I'm gonna add like strips of this more peachy washi into this on top of it to kind of just emphasize the pinks a little bit more. And I wanted a more of a peachy tone to add to it. Okay, I think that looks okay. Let's add one more to the bottom to kind of balance this out. I think that looks good. I think that overlap really brings out those pinks. And it's not boring, it's different. So now I'm gonna go ahead and grab some boxes, and we're gonna add some boxes to the spread to where I can actually write down the videos I'm going to do. So as you can see, the one side is completely different than anything the Happy Planner makes. So I make this by myself because it is my social media planner, and then I glue it in, and then this side stays the same. But I am using an old planner, so that means it needs to be redated. Okay, so I'm just adding black boxes on top of these stickers so I can write on these. And then I think that's pretty good. The only other thing I'm gonna have to do is redate the year, because it does say 2021, which it won't work. I will go ahead and cut out those 3 little mushrooms so my planner can sit nicely. I am going to just use small scissors because for me that's the easiest way to do it, and I can control and make it a slightly smaller hole so it is nice and tucked, because otherwise if you make them too big or if you punch them wrong, they do get too big and the pages start falling out or kind of slipping out a little bit, and I don't really enjoy that. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this really quick. And then pop this back into my planner, and then the only other thing we will have to do is redate that year and we will be all done. But that's it. That's all I had for you guys. If you had fun, don't forget to like this video and comment, and thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I really appreciate you. If you also are obsessed with this sticker book, let me know. I always like to hear my fellow fangirls and guys hearing about what they think of the sticker books we are using. Thanks so much for joining and have a great week. Bye!